For that, the state of Ohio now is working to make opioid addiction treatment more accessible for patients, and their strategy is to train thousands of medical professionals to be able to prescribe medications like Suboxone. 9 on your side's Brianna Malloy is live now at Mercy Health, where medical professionals will be trained in the tri-state. Brianna, good morning.
Good morning, Tamika. That's right. In just a few hours, medical professionals are going to be here and they are going to get trained on how they can prescribe medications like Suboxone. Now, the entire point of this training is to make sure that opioid addiction treatment is available to those who need it. In the past, there was a high demand for these treatments, but there wasn't always the supply to be able to provide it. I'm here right now with Brian Gray from Mercy Health. Brian, can you tell me about some of the issues that this disparity caused?
Well, sure. It causes a lot of, you hear about long waiting lists for treatment for this kind of addiction treatment. You also hear about long drive times and people having to go miles and miles to an unfamiliar place and setting in order to get medication-assisted treatment. So what this does is say, look, we can bring the community together, increase the number of prescribers that are able to provide this medication-assisted treatment, and essentially the bottom line is to help out patients when and where it's best for them.
And for someone who's not dealing with addiction themselves, how does this affect them? Why should they care?
Well, I think it's important to recognize that health systems and healthcare agencies in general are taking a proactive approach to this epidemic. It's something that's supported at the federal and state levels, and I think it's really, really important that we get the word out there that medication-assisted treatment works and addiction treatment in general does work.
Thank you, Brian.
Sure.
And this training today is only one of 47 that will be held across the state this year. Brianna Malloy, 9 on your side.